Here's how you can rename or reset your Apple AirPods. Open the lid of your AirPods case and bring it close to your phone. You might see this AirPods window pop up, but you can just close that for now. Now put the AirPods in your ear, and you should see them appear in the settings under your name. If they don't appear, go to the Bluetooth settings and connect your AirPods manually. Now tap the AirPods, and you'll be able to access the settings. To rename them, simply tap the name and give your AirPods a new name. You can also adjust other settings like auto ear detection, double tap settings, and microphone behavior. If you want to factory reset your AirPods, scroll all the way down and tap Forget this device. Confirm, and the AirPods will be removed from your phone. Now you can put the AirPods back in the case, but let's leave the lid open. We've already unpaired them, but we'll still need to reset the AirPods to factory settings. Close the pop-up window on your phone if you see it, and then press and hold the button on the back of your AirPods case for about 15 seconds until the status light in the front flashes orange and then white. Your AirPods have now been reset to factory settings. Whether you're selling your old AirPods, handing them down to someone else, or simply just trying to fix connectivity issues, follow that process, and your AirPods will behave like they're brand new, straight out the packaging. If you found this video helpful, I have one ask for you. Hit the like button, drop a comment below, or consider subscribing to our channel. It's a zero-cost way to support us, and every comment and like makes a big difference. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next tutorial.